So I actually did the wrong command, which gave us this, and actually showed us some open ports, but we're not sure that that is all the open ports. Remember the command. So this is actually the right command. I'm going to do this plus the IP address. We're going to get used to me copying and pasting. This is lazy. Right, so what do we have here? Close things down. It's really up, it's blocking now. Wow. Well, let's see what HackTheBox said about this too. Of course, that's correct. So are we really adding pages? Okay, let's try now. I don't advise that. Alright, I didn't advise that. What's up? Keep putting again. I'm really thinking 21, 22. I think let's try this. What do we have here? 21, 22, 139. Wrong answer. Shit. Wait, how is the answer supposed to look like? Okay, we got it. So actually, fuck, you aren't seeing the screen. I think. Wait, this is a problem. So I wasn't really understanding how to answer at first. I actually answered 21, 22. Like I actually answered like this: 21, 22, 139, 445, which is wrong. But I was smart enough to just know it was 4, because actually I knew that this scan, the first scan, wasn't still wrong at the same time, right? It actually gave us the ports that are open, and if there were more ports open, this scan should show us. But this scan is working, but it's a bit slow as you can see. So this one took some time too, but it gave us 4 ports open, and you can use that instead, because it will actually also give you service info about the operating system, and yeah, it's quite needed. Anyways, yeah, so we're going to answer that question quickly from the scan report which gave us this. Are you there? The next question, as you can see, is this, and the answer is right there looking at us in the terminal. I'm going to show right now. So what do we have here? What was the answer? 2.3.4. There we go. Over. Alright. There's a famous backdoor in the fashion and Metasploit. Man, are they waiting for us to actually do this now? My system wants me to do it. Alright, so let's go. There's a famous backdoor okay. So I guess we're opening Metasploit. Look at what this scan still did. This scan didn't come out well. I hate when it comes out like that. Look at this. All 1000 ports on is not full. It's not showing 1050, which is wrong. I advise this command for that scan. Anytime you want to do that, this command I advise. Strictly advise, like Magic post on Pop-Out Cypher. Yeah, Pop-Out Cypher is supposed to be a podcast. The podcast is coming. It's just the management not releasing the podcast videos yet. You're gonna be surprised because, man, there are a lot of like huge cybersecurity niggas out there fight off the grammars, and of course your host is